This topic name maximum application of derivative. Very important topic, already told, very important topic. This topic 4 or 5 points. First point maximum minimum, second point increasing decreasing, third point tangent normal, fourth point rate measure, fourth point rate measure, fourth point rate measure, fourth point rate measure. Understand? Clear? The first point write down. First point write down. Increasing and decreasing function. First point write down. Increasing or decreasing function. How to find the increasing or decreasing functions? How to find the increasing or decreasing function? Understand? So now start. You start the increasing decreasing functions. First all is to understand why. You start the increasing decreasing function. First remember, board exam ask the question. JEE exam also ask the question. 100% ask the question. JEE purpose, this topic very important topic. Increasing decreasing, maximum minimum, tangent normal. Very important. Rate measure only board purpose, not IIT purpose. Rate measure fully physics, not math. Rate measure, velocity, acceleration, this type portion. Okay. But now I start the increasing decreasing. Easy topic, one topic, one day complete, not tough topic. Any function given, any function given, any function given. Okay. Any function given. Your question find the increasing decreasing. First remember, any question you increasing decreasing order, the first you remember domain. First you remember domain already complete. Domain already complete. Second point remember interval. Interval already complete. Close interval, open interval, close open interval, open close interval. How to apply close interval all understand. Domain understand. Without domain, without interval, not solve the increasing decreasing function. Any question increasing decreasing function, step number 1, one time derivative. One time derivative. Not understand? Any question find the increasing decreasing function, one time derivative. I equal to 0. One time derivative, basic concept. One time derivative equal to 0 or find the x. Find the roots of x. Find the roots. This roots, understand? Yes or no? Any question given, your question find increasing decreasing order, one time derivative, after derivation, what? Find the domain. Find the domain. Understand? This domain, positive value increasing, negative value decreasing. Understand? Not understand? The right one, function given, one time derivative equal to 0. Again find the domain. This domain define increasing decreasing functions.
Sir, take
Now your question, 1, 2 question I solve, other question you solve. One question given, function x is equal to 2x cube minus 12x squared plus 18x plus 15. Your question, wait 1 minute. Your question, you find increasing decreasing order. All students wait. One time concept, one time derivative. 110. What answer?
6x square
6x square minus 24x plus 18 is equal to 0. 18 is equal to 0. Understand? Yes or no? Any common?
6
X square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Understand? Now find the factor, find the x value. X value, what value? Tell me. Tell me x what value? I think 1 and 3. Yes sir, one of them. Correct. So first increasing order. This is plus infinity, this minus infinity. First roots arrange increasing order. So 1 and x square what value? Positive or negative? Positive. So positive, negative. Positive value increasing, negative value decreasing. Answer increasing function. Increasing what value? Minus infinity to 1. Union 3 to infinity. Increasing function. Positive value increasing, negative value decreasing. Decreasing what value? 1 to 3. Understand?
So the last part.
Up to understand?
Yes.
Up to understand? Arrange increasing order. The start plus infinity or this minus infinity. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Understand? अब 1 x square positive की negative? Positive. Start. Positive, negative, always.
Negative means negative.
Negative, positive. Already open the domain topics, sir. Go home and practice one time. Yeah. Okay, the positive value is the increasing, negative value is the decreasing. The positive value increasing, negative value decreasing. So increasing what value? Minus infinity to 1. Increasing function minus infinity to 1. Union 3 to infinity. Understand? Decreasing function what value? 1 to 3. Negative function always decreasing, positive function always increasing in this. Okay, write down sir. A small topic, not big topic, but practice more. My work complete, sir. One question I solve, I give the idea. Of now you start. Now you start to solve the question, doubt, ask the questions. Eruption. This question solve. Same question. Find increasing decreasing function. Find increasing decreasing function. Function x is equal to minus 3 by 4 x power 4. Yes, simply minus 3 minus x cube plus 12x square minus 5. This question solved. Find increasing and decreasing functions. Solve this question. First one time derivative. What answer tell me? Minus 3x square plus 24x 0 is equal to 0. Any common? Minus 3x common. What value? X plus minus 1 minus 8 is equal to 0. Hello, remember 3 go that side. 3 not x. 3 go this side. So what value? Minus x minus 8. Yes or no? How many roots? X what? How many roots? 2 roots. 0 and 8. So 0 and 8. Yes or no? अब now plus infinity minus infinity x square negative to positive huh?
Excuse me, sir.
Wrong. This type question, no any x value cancel. X value cancel, so one roots cancels. That is one root. This go x 0. So only how many? Only x value, na? X is equal to 8. So wrong answer. This type question, no x value cancel. First remember, sir. Understand? Yes or no? Now x square negative to positive. Negative, positive, negative value.
Negative.
Increasing and decreasing. What answer? Minus infinity to 0 union 8 to infinity decreasing and 0 to 8 increasing. Understand? Yes or no? Understand? Cannot understand? So this type question practice, sir. This is only from increasing, decreasing. This type question asked. More question. Inverse trigonometric function. Trigonometric function, logarithm function, exponents, all function asked, but always remember domain. Domain understand, this topic understand. This domain not understand, this topic not understand. So go home and domain first one time open the notes copy, or revise the domains. Okay.